a brief tutorial about Noodle Tools. Notice my search term Noodle Tools Express. Be sure to put the Express on there, otherwise you'll end up in the wrong place. This is what you want right here. You can use this for APA requirements, but we of course want MLA. Your two citations for this essay are both from websites, so I'm going to click website and then create citation. And there's a lot, but what I recommend you do is open your source in another window, a concurrent window, and I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL and put it right in, but that's not enough. You need to do more work than just putting the URL in, but that's going to help a lot. I want to point out one thing. You see, this is the name, Politico's the name of the online journal. This obviously is your title, and you've got your authors and your date of publication here. You're going to need to enter all that information. But when asked for the publisher, you need to go right to the bottom of the page and see right here where it says Politico LLC. That's actually the name of the publisher. It's the name of the journal and it's the name of the publisher.